Hi guys. Yes, we can see it is here now. Yes, and this is the glossy old burst leather and with a grab and go closure. Yes, it's a A6 regular size. Not so regular because the A6 regular is about 16 centimeters, and this is about 16.5 centimeters, so a little taller than the regular A6 cover size, because the 16.5 centimeters is the customer request. So I hand cut the cover with myself. Yeah, and we can go to see the inside. It's like this. Yes, a folio in the back with two cast nut and a wing pocket, one piece wing pocket in the front, and also has a big folio under the wing pocket, and with the front pocket here. Yes, so it's just the regular pockets I have in my shop, and just recognize all the pockets together, and the truth tell us it is a good idea too. Yes, we can just use the pocket I have in my shop and we can just reorganize all the pocket I have it and just put in a new design to a cover, and it's just very beautiful too. Yes, so we can see the grab and go closure is really fit to put in any covers you want. It's just super fit and super beautiful with the covers. Okay, so this is the custom order from Korea. Okay, Jenny, this is your notebook cover, and it is here. Wish you will love it, and wish you guys will love it too. Okay, see you guys soon. Bye bye.